Next in CSS, we are going to design this thing. We have a box in which we have two balls. This red box is at left corner and this blue box is at the right corner. When they are bouncing, red ball is going up to top right corner and blue ball is going up to top left corner. So here is our basic HTML code, and in body section we are giving div class equals to d1, and within this class we are going to within this div we are going to design two more divs. Div class equals to here we are giving ball. This is going to be our first div inside this outer div d1, and div class equals to ball1. This is our second div inside outer div. Next, in head section, this is our style tag, and within this style tag, first of all we are going to design this d1 class. So d1 dot d1, here we have to give width, we are giving is 500 pixel, height is also 500 pixel. This is the box which we in which we will be putting these two balls. Then border to be 1 pixel, solid black. Then margin. Now we have to put this box in the center. So first of all we are giving auto. It is going to horizontally center the box. Then we have to bring that box a little away from top margin. So margin top to be, here we are giving 100 pixel. Now we are giving background color to our box. Here I'm choosing cornflower blue color, and here we are giving position to relative. Save. So this is our box. Now we have to put two balls inside this box. We can reduce top margin also. Here we are making it 50 pixel. So this is a box. Now we have to put two balls here, one at the left corner and one at the right corner. So here we have given two ball and ball1. So we will be making ball class dot ball, and here we have to give width of the ball, width to 50 pixel, and height is also 50 pixel. To give this ball a circular shape, we have to give border radius to 50%, background color, here I'm choosing red color, save it, and this is how our ball is looking right now. Now we want that ball should be here. It should stick to its left margin and bottom margin. So for that, here we are giving margin, or we can directly say left. We want that it should be 0 pixel away from its left border, and from top border it should be, here I'm giving 450 pixel, away from its top side. Save. We have to mention position here also. Position we have to give absolute. So this ball is here. We have to put one ball here as well. So we'll be making class dot ball 1. So this is going to our this class. Here also we have to give width of 50 pixel, height of 50 pixel, border radius. For circular shape we have to give 50%. Background color of that ball, we want it to be blue. Now that ball was stick to left margin and we want that this ball should stick to right margin. So here we have to give left side. From left side it should have margin of 450 pixel. We can change it if it is not sticking to that right margin, and from top side it should be 450 pixel away, and its position is absolute. Save. And so we have this blue ball at the right corner and the red ball at the left corner. Now to give both of these balls animation effect, we have to give here in ball, we have to give animation name. Here I'm writing 1. Name of animation for this ball is 1. Animation delay, it should start after 2 seconds of delay and it should continue for 5 seconds, and it should iterate for animation iteration count, we are giving it 5. Save. Same thing we are going to do for ball 1. Animation 1, name, its name for ball 1 animation name is, here we have to give separate name. I'm giving here 2. Animation delay 2 seconds. Animation duration 5 seconds, and animation iteration count, here we are giving 5. Save. Right now it hasn't done anything to those balls, they are not moving. Now we have to give animation here. So at the rate keyframes, for red ball we have chosen animation name 1, so here we have to give 1. Now we want that when the ball is 0%, when it is 0%, then ball should remain sticking to its left margin. So for that we are giving 0%. At that time we want that transform, we have to use transform property, and here we have to use translate, and here we are giving coordinate 0, means from on axis and y axis it should be at 0 pixel. When it is 50%, then transform, then translate, here we are giving 450 pixel. It is going to, that this ball is going to go in right side, that is positive, and it is going upside also, that is going to be negative. So this coordinate will be positive. comma, and we are moving it upside also. So for that we are giving 450 pixel negative. And when it is 100% done, then transform, translate, it should again come to 00. Save. Now our red ball will be moving. It is not moving. Reason for that is here we haven't put pixel. Again save it and go live. So now with a delay of 2 seconds it has started moving. It is going up to top right corner. Now we have to give this moving effect to this blue ball. So for that, here again we have to give keyframes, and name is 2. Here when it is 0% complete, then it should transform, translate, it should be sticking to its right edge. When it is 50%, then transform. In that translate we are using, and here we are giving, now here this ball will be going to opposite side, upside. For upside we have to give negative value, and it is going opposite side, that is left side. So both of these values should be negative. So here I am giving minus 450 pixel and minus 450 pixel. And when it is 100% done, then transform, translate, it should again come to 00 pixel. That means it should stick itself to right corner. Save it and go live. Now both of these balls will start moving after a delay of 2 seconds, and these iteration will go up to 5 count. This is second iteration, this is iteration number 3, 4, and this is our 5th iteration.